morning, students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the lockdown. So, next 5 minutes or so, I am going to give you some very small tips of keeping yourself fit during the lockdown. And as you all know that fitness is the key to, yes, you guessed it correctly, happiness. So, if we are fit and we are happy. And as we all know that there are three things to identify that whether somebody is healthy or unhealthy. The first thing is, as we all know, in the mornings, one should be able to pass motions, urine, and most importantly, sweat. So, in case you were able to put in some effort to get that sweat out, then we are the fittest and the happiest here. So, next, just take 5 minutes of yours and just see what you need to do in the morning to just keep yourself fit. Okay? So, we should start from the top and till the bottom. Just keep on doing these exercises in the morning and do it very fast, okay, because we need to sweat. Okay, simple. Just keep your eyes open and keep on doing at this exercise till whatever level you can do it. In case you can stretch it further behind, nothing like it, but initially you can just start like this. Okay, just rotate your leg. Just keep in mind whatever exercise that you're doing, that you have to do it anti-clockwise also, so that both the movements are there. Now, and do it swiftly. The more swiftly you'll do it, you will feel energetic. Okay, now see this. Just very small and simple exercises. Nothing major effort required. No gymming, nothing, because it's an extended lockdown 2.0, and we have to ensure that we are fit. So just keep on doing these simple exercises. Just stretch as far as possible and do it swiftly. I am repeating it because it's a workout, because you need to sweat. So the more fast you do it, the more easily you will sweat. Okay, and the torso movement, again anti-clockwise. That is more important, that whatever you are doing, you have to do it anti-clockwise. And this is one of the best exercises, you know. Okay, now the point to note is that you should be looking at the top. Okay, at the top, and maximum back you can see. So the endeavor should be to do it around 30 times. So okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, 30. So okay, now couple of more exercises. You would have started feeling the pumping of blood now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, again, don't stop. Okay, so you can take a breather, just 1 or a minute, to get your breath under control. I hope you're enjoying. Okay, a fit India means a happy society and a happy India. Okay, let's put your efforts for a happy India. Okay, come on. Again, are you ready? 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. Again a breather. You see the change in the exercise? In the first exercise, I was getting both the legs. In the second exercise, it was inward movement. Okay. Now the last exercise, towards the outside. Just see it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. All the best.